the water cycle, nature's amazing water adventure. Did you know that water is always moving around in a big cycle? It's true. This cycle is called the water cycle, and it's like a never-ending adventure for water. The water cycle starts when the sun shines its warm rays down onto the earth. This heat makes some of the water in rivers, lakes, and oceans evaporate into the air. Evaporation is when water turns into invisible vapor. Once the water vapor is in the air, it rises up and forms clouds. These clouds float around in the sky, carrying water from one place to another. When the clouds get heavy with water, they release it as rain, snow, or hail. This process is called precipitation. When the rain falls, it soaks into the ground or flows into rivers and streams. Some of it even goes back into the oceans. This water then starts the cycle all over again by evaporating into the air when the sun heats it up. The water cycle is important because it helps plants grow, fills up our rivers and lakes, and gives us water to drink. Without the water cycle, our planet wouldn't be able to support life as we know it. So, the next time you see rain falling from the sky or feel the warmth of the sun, remember that you're witnessing a part of nature's amazing water adventure, the water cycle.